Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at a chart that you probably look at or should be looking at least once a day, and that is Apple. It is such a leader in this market. It's heavily weighted in the indexes, and so it's really important that you understand what Apple is doing, in my opinion, on a daily basis. And Apple has really kind of been a bit of a leader here. You can see the big move off the low from January. Apple's up over 30%. And so it has been one of those stocks, once again, that investors can lean on for gains in this market. Now, it is getting to a pretty interesting spot, and I'll show you where. If I zoom out here and draw a trend line from the high back in December of 2022, I can actually draw it all the way down, and you can see how we are right there. I mean, we are bumping up against a pretty key level here, here, and again here. So it's kind of make or break now for Apple. Is Apple going to blast through and break this clear resistance level, or is it going to break down? That's what we want to know. Earnings for Apple coming up in early May, and so it may consolidate here before earnings and then break out or break down. But it is definitely a stock that I think you should be watching because it is so heavily weighted in the indexes. It could affect other stocks in the market if it does get a clear rejection at this very obvious resistance point. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should definitely check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. Take a trial. It's only about $7 for 30 days. I don't think you're going to find a better deal than that.